Hello, sir. Hello, guys. I'm called Martha Namudomu Nangai. I'm a level 1 student in the ICT America University. I'm studying ICT and I'm here to present specific skills in using Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. Now, my desktop, you have PowerPoint. You double click, wait for it to open. Choose a blank presentation. Now, one of the shortcuts in creating a slide or opening a new slide is typing Control M. And once you press Control M on the keyboard, a new slide appears. And when you right click, you can duplicate a slide, you can delete a slide, you can publish slides, you can reset slide, and you can choose the layout. And this layout is going to depend on the content of the slide. That's what you want to do. As you can see, there are various office themes here. Okay, now I'm going to import a PowerPoint slide from my laptop, educational lessons to work on. Now, PowerPoint, you can bold, you can make use of italic, you can underline, and you can even change, the font size into however or whatever you want. Let's choose 40, and you can make use of arrows when writing in point form. You can make use of either bullets or numbers, or there are many. You have some here. Anyhow you want, you can make use of it as you want. Okay, now I'm going to use this new slide. I'm going to use it. I'm going to draw tables layout. I will choose this layout for the tables. Now I'm going to go to insert table. As I pull, the squares appear, and that's it. And I can write play, and I can pull if whatever I've written is not sufficient enough to fill the space. I can pull it right here, tables. Now the next thing, I'm going to show how to insert a picture. Remember, I said there are various office themes and layouts which we can choose depending on what we want to do. Now for pictures or for medias, we can choose this or this, but I decide to choose this because I want the content with the caption. Now I'm going to write my country. I love my country. That's it. And here I'm going to choose pictures. I'm going to go to download, and I'm going to choose what I want. I'll choose Cameroon because I love my country, and that's it. And I can pull this if I want to change the shape, or if I want to make it longer, or if I want to make it broad, or however I want it to be. Next thing, I'm going to show how to write a comment in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, new comment, you write here, education is the key. Now that's a comment. I can decide to add, okay, let me spell it out well. Education is the key. I can decide to add a new comment here. I can as well decide to delete the comment anyhow I want it to be, but this here notifies that there's a comment. That's click to show comments pane. That means when you click here, when I'm on PowerPoint presentation, I'll know there's a comment, and when I click, the comment is going to appear. Okay, now the next thing, I'm going to do animations. That's how I want my heading to be. If I want it to float, how I want it to appear. So I'm going to click, and this is it. Fly in, float in, or anyhow I want it to be. And also the next thing, I'm going to show design, background design. You can choose this. There are many beautiful designs. You can choose this, you can choose this, but you will decide to use this. The next thing, I'm going to show how to insert a chart. So when you right click, I can choose a new slide. I want to choose this. I want to change the layout. I'll choose this, and a chart. You choose if you want a line chart, if you want it pie, if you want it bar, anyhow you want it, you choose, and you choose how you want it to be. So I'll choose this and I'm going to make okay. And you fit in the way I want it to be, and that's it. I can now put the figures the way I want it to be. Okay, the next I'm going to show slideshow. That's if you want your slide to appear from the current slide or from the beginning, this is how it's going to appear, like this, as you have seen. And that's the end. But if you want it to appear from the current slide, that's for example, if we're on tables, it's going to start from tables, that's going to start appearing from tables. So you're going supposed to choose. If you don't want the first slide to show, that's from the beginning, you're going to choose from where you want it to start showing. It all depends on what you want. Now you can hide the slide. For example, I've hidden this one, means when you're showing your presentation, it's not going to show. So you can also do that. Also, the next thing, you can, to view a slide, here the reading mode, this is it. And you can also zoom the slide the way you want it to be. Let's say, let's put it on 100. Okay, you see how the slide expanded. So thank you very much for watching. I'm grateful and hope you enjoyed the video.